it's Jules from Jules Craft Room. I just thought I'd come on quickly and show you some fabric I bought recently, and what ideas I plan to make with it. I ordered some of this jersey, and it's a plain blue jersey. So it's a metre, it's £9.50 a metre. So, but it's quite a thick jersey. And it's got stretch both ways. And I thought, I'd probably make it like kids' sweatshirt, or maybe even a top for myself. I don't know. I'll see. I'm waiting for some more fabric to come. I ordered this lovely space fabric, which I thought would go nice with this blue. That's a jersey as well. And I thought I could either make pyjamas or some little sweatshirts for my grandsons. I've got 3 little grandsons. They're well, one's about to be born tomorrow by cesarean section. The other one is 5 months old, and the other one's 3.5. So I thought I might be able to make something for them and make it all matching for Christmas. The other stuff I got for my daughter's birthday was on the 19th of October. And she's 30, and I said, instead of getting you, you know, sweets, chocolates, voucher, whatever, I said, would you like me to make something? So she's chosen this pattern K4138 quick sew, and she wants this pinny here, and she wanted it in black corduroy. So I hunted around, and I found this black corduroy. I got it off of eBay. I think he's called Poplin Man, and if a minimum order of 3 meters, so it's 11 wale, and so it's not a baby cord, but it's a little bit bigger, but it's not a jumbo. Hasn't really got any stretch to it at all. It's cotton, and so I bought that for her pinafore. But I thought, you know, a black pinafore, she could buy it from the shop. Really, I need something to personalise it, and she's got a sausage dog, and she loves sausage dogs. So I got this fat quarter. It's 50 by 75 centimetres, and it's got sausage dogs all over it. I'll put it the right way up. And I thought that would be quite nice as inside the bib area here, the bib, so only she will see it from the inside. And also I thought I might do the pockets in this, and that was £4.10, and for that little piece. But I thought that was, so I've got to get on with that, because obviously her birthday's gone, and I think I paid £9 for the pattern, but I think that'll get plenty of use, because I wouldn't mind one myself. So that'll be good. Then my oldest grandson, who's 15, I said to his father about making him a hoodie, and he said, yeah, make him a hoodie for Christmas. So I said, oh, what colour should I go for? He says black. So I thought, oh, another black plain hoodie, you know, that you could buy from the shop. He said, well, you can put the initials on it. So I thought, yeah, I could put his initials on. But then I thought, wouldn't it be nice to line the hood with something? So I know he's crazy about Minecraft. So I bought this Minecraft jersey to go inside the hood. And that, again, is another fat quarter, 50 by 75. But just enough to go inside the hood, and maybe possibly line the pockets. So, but I thought that would be nice, and it just makes it a bit more personalised when he gets it. So, and that was, that fat quarter was from eBay again, and Pretty Things it was, Pretty Things 15. And yeah, that was £4.25 for that fat quarter. So and the fleece was £7.50 a metre, and not that much stretch to it, but yeah, that'll be fine for him. So but that would be lovely. So I'm looking forward to making that. And then while I was there, I also got some off of eBay. I saw this reduced, and it was £6 a metre, and it's lovely baby blue fleece, really soft inside, whereas the black one is sort of like a loop back, whereas this is a fleece inside. And I thought this would be lovely for the younger grandsons, so I thought either a cardigan or a little sweatshirt, and I might even use some of the space fabric with it to break it up, or even the plain blue fabric. But yeah, and I've still got some of the Foxes fabric. I've still got some of the Foxes jersey left over from when I did the, I don't know if you can see, from when I did the little dungarees. So I've still got some of that left, so I could put that in the with the sweatshirt, so sort of contrasting, and that'll go nicely with it. So I'm looking forward to doing that. It's quite nice completing an outfit, because then at least you know that they've got something to wear it with. So yeah, so I'm looking forward to doing all that. So we shall see how much I'm actually managed to make. So I felt more productive since I've had a tidy up in my sewing room. So I just thought I'd let you know what I bought, and I'll get back to you and let you know what I actually make out of this lot. Bye for now.